Hey guys, this is RD Techie, and in today's video we're going to show you how to use your mobile phone as your webcam for free without any paid apps or subscriptions. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys on the other side of the intro. Right, so the app we're using has a mobile version as well as a desktop version. You're going to need both of them for it to work. You're going to have to stream through this app as well. This app is called PRISM Live Studio. The link is in the description. Basically, it's a distribution of OBS. So if you're using OBS already, or if you're used to using OBS, you'll feel right at home. So I've installed both on my phone as well as on my PC. The installation process is very easy. You just go to the App Store in your respective mobile phones, be it iOS or Android, and you just download the app and you'll sign in with the same Gmail ID or whatever ID you're using to sign into the desktop app. That will recognize they're both in the same account and that'll help you connect. So now we're going to show you how to actually go through the connection process once you have both softwares installed. So we're just opening up PRISM Live Studio, and there you go. This is very much like OBS. It's the only additional thing is it lets you have certain features that are exclusive to PRISM. Today we're going to focus on PRISM Mobile. So I'm going to use PRISM Mobile. I'm going to say make source visible. It's great. And it's going to ask me to scan a code and connect via Wi-Fi. Now this means your mobile phone, your webcam is going to be wireless, so you can have it full charged and you can literally move around with it. This is great if you have a DIY kind of stream going where you want to show something quickly, pick it off, show it. If you have a tripod setting, you can put your phone on there. You're set. It's completely up to you and how you use this because it's completely wireless. Now, they are coming out with a USB connection that might make the quality even better, but from my usage, the quality is actually quite nice. It's even better than most normal webcams. So if you're looking for webcams, stop looking, get the software, start streaming from that. So first of all, let me just quickly open the PRISM Live app over on the mobile phone as well. There you go. So I've got the PRISM Live app opening as well. There you go. So that's going to load in and it's going to help me scan this QR code on screen and connect wirelessly. As long as you're on both in the same Wi-Fi network, you won't have any issues. So it's right away. It gives you connect, live, all that. If you want to go to the other one, you're just going to click. But connect is what we want to do. You're looking for this QR code. I'm going to scan the QR code on our screen right now. Just waiting for it to focus a bit. There it is. And you get an option, two options actually. You have the camera option or the screencast option. This option right now is useless because you can't start with it right off the bat. You have to start with the camera option and click connect. Once you do that, your computer recognizes it. And now you're seeing what I'm seeing on my phone. Now, if I want my front-facing camera, I just change that over on here by clicking the arrow. By clicking the arrow, there are two arrows that you click, and then boom, you're in the front-facing camera. This is actually, if you're starting off as a YouTuber or a Twitch streamer, having your camera be this quality is not a bad thing at all. Now, I know you guys are seeing me upside down, but the point is, if you're looking to get a webcam and you're thinking, should I buy this one? Should I buy that one? Don't spend money on a basic one. This allows you to take care of your need, take care of your requirement, whilst helping you save a ton of cash because you don't have to spend anything. This is free. I did not pay for it. They're not giving me a key. I literally went to this website, downloaded the software, and just downloaded the app from the App Store. So that's it. Now, if I wanted to screencast now, I can't do that. In the app itself, all you have to do is you swipe left, and it'll give you a bunch of options like so, which I guess you might not see clearly, but you get a bunch of options, out of which is you can add music, text, widgets and screencast. Now, if I click screencast, it's going to take a second. It's going to ask me for permission. When you grant the permission, and it's just going to quickly do that. There you go. That's my home screen. Now, if I go to Twitter, if I go, there you go. You can see Twitter. It's that easy. So if you have a game, and I don't know how much it'll lag, so let's try Raid Shadow Legends. This is not sponsored. So I'm guessing, so you have a corner right there just to show your webcam. So if you want to show your reactions and all while you're playing, and you don't want to use both, you can click and just take it away. You can drag it and put it in other corners. It gives you a lot of options considering the fact that it's a free version. It's a free thing. So it's asking me to update because I don't play this game. Point is that it's an option for you to start if you're a content creator and you've just started on Twitch or you're considering starting on YouTube. You can simply get your phone and make that your Wi-Fi webcam. Now that aspect of wireless connectivity while you're streaming can be very useful. If you're an RL streamer, you have a laptop, you have your webcam with you. Of course, you have your laptop webcam. But if you want to show around the room, you don't have to turn your entire screen and bend it all over. You just use this one and you're set. And I think that is a very cool aspect. And big ups to PRISM Live Studio for doing this, for enabling this and adding this. It is a free widget in their own studio thing. Obviously, I'm guessing there's also an ability to add this on OBS by using third-party plugins, but this is very easy. I've never seen it be this easy. So something, if you guys are considering starting up a stream, PRISM Live Studio is definitely worth a look. It is very easy to set up and go with, and it doesn't take too many complicated information. All you need is to give it a login and tell it which way to connect. It also has all these different platforms that it allows, and also cool nifty things as adding the ability to add a chat right off the bat, having text templates that pop up and show your name or show whatever you want to show. It has a lot of nice cool widgets, but this feature is what made me want to make this video, because I know a lot of content creators who are considering streaming, who are considering doing YouTube. They're put off by the fact that, I need a camera. I don't have a camera yet. I need to buy a camera. I need a better webcam. I need to have my laptop's webcam is not good. It may be true. And I personally use my laptop's web camera, but my older laptops, the camera were very bad. So, I wouldn't use it. But this is an inexpensive way because your camera on your phone is very good. For being a small part of your overlay, that is more than enough, and it's something you should really consider. And it also makes portability very easy. Say you do stream with a DSLR. When you're going on a trip, if you're going somewhere far, you have to pack up the DSLR, you have to pack up the tripod, you have to pack up the dummy batteries, everything, and that's a whole other thing. With PRISM, you just, take your phone with you. Which, let's face it, you take this everywhere. Why wouldn't you take it on the trip? So, something to consider, and I hope you guys do give it a shot. Link, as always, in the description. Please let me know if I can be of any help with setting it up, or if you have any questions about this, and I'll be happy to answer to the best of my knowledge. This is RD Techie. Thank you so much for all the support on YouTube, and thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. My chair squeaks nonstop. Jeez.